Alright, so we have pinky. That we can call it today. I have one pink hat and pink shirt. Bet you have one pink belt. Now a pink belt. You're not going so hard today. Not today. What you say? Because you're work. Alright. So we're from the favorite shipping company, Alpha Import. Oh, you're selling loans. How much you say for your loan?
Alright, we have from 10,000 to a million.
From 10,000 to a million?
Yes.
Okay. What's the name of the company?
Torpedo.
Torpedo?
Yes.
We have locations.
Alright, we have location here, so, which is Clock Tower.
Yeah.
Clock Tower Plaza. We have downtown. We have all island. So
Come for one, man.
We have Lynn State.
All over.
Backwalk.
Okay, alright, cool. And I know you see you Ron Silvera.
Yes.
Alright, so I'm going like I don't know, but I know. Alright, so guess what now? Today I want to find out if you know what this is.
Okay.
Yeah, talk to me. You know what this is?
That look like a nice flowers.
Look like a nice flowers.
Yes, but I do.
Well, it is a nice flowers.
Yes.
I'm glad you don't know what it is, you know.
Why?
Because what is it? What is it? Come tell me what it is. So this lady know that it is a mistletoe. If you know what a mistletoe is, that means I forgot to kiss you. I'm glad you don't know.
Okay.
You're not glad too?
Yes, I'm very glad. I'm very glad.
So you plan for the holidays, bro?
Well, we plan for working with Torpedo for the entire time.
Right,
so
right.
We're gonna have Grand Market at we're gonna have Grand Market.
Spanish Round?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So you plan for the family though?
Alright, well I have good plans for the family. I want to carry them to the Grand Market, but Torpedo have been
so a big pot now cook around the yard. We not kill no goat, no cow now get killed this year.
That's after the Grand
After?
Market. Yeah, we most likely
Celebrate
New Year's.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright. In the new year.
Yeah.
Alright, wish you all the best. Merry Christmas when it comes. Alright? Big up.
Yes, big up, yeah.
There you have it. Big cow and goat I go cook but on New Year's. Nobody feel like a Christmas day. So now wash out your belly so quick. See ya. Cut.